Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up your Ford Fusion safely. Before you begin, always ensure you are on a flat, level surface, away from any moving traffic. It is crucial to engage your parking brake and block the wheels that will remain on the ground. Remember, safety is paramount. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Always use sturdy jack stands to secure your car once it is lifted, providing a stable and safe working environment. When jacking up the front of your Ford Fusion, you have a couple of reliable options. The most common points are the pinch welds located just behind the front wheels. Alternatively, for more central lift, you can use the sturdy front subframe crossmember. Always make sure your jack pad is making full, secure contact with the chosen point. Be very careful to avoid placing the jack on any suspension parts, the exhaust, or the oil pan, as this could cause significant damage. Moving to the rear of your Ford Fusion, similar jacking points are available. You can use the pinch welds, which are found just in front of the rear wheels. For a central lift, the rear subframe or a solid axle beam, if present, are excellent choices. It is vital to position your jack with care, ensuring you do not interfere with or damage any fuel lines or brake lines. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise, recommended jacking locations. Once your jack is correctly positioned, slowly begin to raise your Ford Fusion. Continue lifting until the tire you are working on is completely clear of the ground, allowing ample space. Now, carefully place your sturdy jack stands under the designated support points, ensuring they are stable and level. Gently lower the vehicle onto the jack stands, making sure the car is fully seated. Before performing any work, always give the car a gentle shake to confirm its stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.